Good morning, friend. In last lecture, we have to discuss about some mathematical formulation like to calculate the area of triangle, area of circle, and one formula that is the distance between the 2 point. Okay. For today's lecture, again you have to write some mathematical equation. For example, a is equal to x square plus 2y square minus 3xy. For that, you have to define three variables, that is x, y and a. One important thing is that to subscribe this YouTube channel, because whenever I publish any video on that, immediately after that you will get the notification. Okay, so for that you have to write C coding. Okay, let's see. Open your coding software. So this is an by default program. In that you can write one more file is added, that is header file, that is hash include maths.h, hash include math.h. This is header file. This is int main. This is a main function is defined. So define integer variable, that is int x comma y comma a, and last one is semicolon. Okay, again here to use a scanf statement for input purpose, you have to define the value of x and y from user end. In that program you don't use x is equal to something, y is equal to something. You define x and y value from your keyboard, that means from user side. So that's why we have to use a scanf statement. So write for that printf. First of all, printf to enter the value of x variable, that is x. After that you can scanf statement, use scanf. So it is in integer type, so that's why you write percent d and comma and value, that is first variable and x. That means the first value is entered, it is stored in x variable. Next, similarly you can write for y variable. First of all, printf enter value of y variable. In next line you can write scanf statement, percent d comma and that variable name, that is y. That means a second value is stored in y variable. So my equation is a is equal to x square, that means x x into x plus, that means x square, here you see x square plus 2y square. So my equation is x square plus 2y square minus 3xy, that is 2y square. How it is write in C coding, let's see. Plus 2 into y square, that means y into y square. Again the next line is minus 3xy. For that you can write minus 3 into x into y. Last one is same, sorry, again you can write it x square plus, here x square plus, equation is 2y square y into y into y minus 3xy 3 into x into y minus 3xy semicolon. Okay, so write in next line, that is their result. That is the value of equation. Here write percent d because the variable is an integer type. Then in next line comma that variable, that is a, and last one is semicolon. First of all run it, click on run button. Okay, the first is enter the value of x variable, that is 3, enter. Y variable value, suppose I enter 2 and plus the enter button. The value of equation is minus 1. Okay, again we will run it, click on run button. First of all gives the value of x variable, suppose I enter 5, y variable value suppose and enter 3, so value is minus 2. So likewise you can change any value or gives the any value of x and y, and after that the equation will be solved in the C programming and their result will be displayed on the screen. Likewise you can write any C coding for any mathematical equation. Okay guys, so you practice it again and you can play. So these syntax, because these are the standard format for the C coding. Okay guys, so try at home. Okay, thank you once again to subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.